Demonstration of 20 kHz ultrasonic digital generator. 20 kHz ultrasonic digital generator. We insist on using high-quality raw materials components. With stable and high-frequency output power, it ensures whole ultrasonic machine working performance. This is the continuous ultrasound wave generator with the cooling fans, huge power, but very stable output. It has been widely used for welding mass body, also for sealing different leather materials. This is the intermittent ultrasound wave digital generator. It has been widely used for welding mass gear loops. Also popular for paper cup machine, tube sealing machine, etc. With good quality and stable working performance, our generator has gained a very good reputation. Welcome to contact us for more details.